Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys techno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set alarm in techno mobile. Friends, you want to set alarm in techno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set alarm, how to use techno mobile alarm setting one by one we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your techno mobile, tap on your clock setting, tap on your clock setting. After your phone clock setting friends, you can see this type interface in your techno mobile. So friends, in your techno mobile, tap on your alarm plus icon, select your alarm time. So friends, I will set an alarm 50 12:50. Select time, alarm repeat setting, alarm ringtone setting you can select, alarm vibrate setting you can on save here. Alarm will set friends, you can see after 1 minute you can use alarm in your techno mobile. You can check notification, upcoming alarm Thursday 12:50 p.m. So friends, we have 1 minute. So on your call setting, timer you can set, second list, minute list, hour list you can set. Stopwatch you want to use, so you can only stopwatch, and you can use stopwatch in your techno mobile. Alarm volume setting friends, you want to set, you want to increase, you want to decrease alarm volume, you can increase and decrease alarm volume. Friends, we have 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you can use alarm in your techno mobile. As you can see, phone is on vibrate mode, so we will dismiss. So like that friends, you can add alarm with vibrate setting, and without vibrate you want to use. So friends, again you can add one more alarm, but vibrate setting we will off, so your phone will not vibrate. For alarm setting, alarm ringtone you want to change, so you can select your new ringtone sound, and you can set your new ringtone sound for your alarm. Save option, tap here, alarm will save. And friends, you want to continue this alarm tomorrow same time friends, you can see after 1 day from now, so you can continue your alarm. Friends, we have 15 seconds. After 15 seconds you can use alarm without vibrate. 5 4 3 2 1. Friends, you can see alarm will not vibrate. Dismiss, alarm will off. And you want to delete alarm, select your alarm, you can delete alarm in techno mobile. Again you want to set up alarm, tap here plus icon, select your alarm time, alarm repeat setting you can use Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Alarm vibrate setting you can on, you can off. Alarm ringtone setting you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.